Welcome to Cobblefield, a luxury gated enclave of 97 homes sited on 44 acres of pristine, park-like property. Soft rolling streets are accented by lush landscaping, and colourful flower gardens are among the hallmarks of this elegant and sought-after community. Each home features a private courtyard, providing a gracious entry to your home, and is an inviting way to greet family and friends, and affords personal enjoyment as well. Amenities include a full-time, staffed gatehouse, clubhouse, heated pool, and 2 tennis courts. The clubhouse is the perfect extension of your home and can be reserved for private parties. It features a newly decorated club room and new catering kitchen, gym and library, as well as men's and women's facility with access to the pool. Snow is removed to your front and garage doors, and the common grounds are maintained by the Homeowners Association, providing a carefree lifestyle to enjoy every season of the year.